this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair, and I want to show you this nasty hail dent in this fender of a 2020 Volvo XC90. Now, my first impressions of it, it definitely looked very, very deep, and quite possibly looked like it might have stretched the metal beyond a point of return or repair, rather. So you can see there, I warmed up the metal to try and make it softer, more malleable to work with, and the paint to be more flexible so we don't have to worry about splitting the paint. Just trying to push it up, and man, it's a really challenging dent. Ultimately, it did end up oil canning on me, and as you can see in this video, as I'm pushing up, it's falling back down. That is definitely signs of a dent just losing its strength in that area. And that metal just has no rigidity whatsoever now because of how deep that dent was. I used a specialized machine to try and shrink the metal from the backside without success. And as you can see there, it's mounded up. And that's exactly what oil can. You touch it on the top and it falls down. Again, touch it in the back and it falls down. This one was definitely challenging and very difficult and hard to see a dent like that not be repairable. But it happens the more you push the threshold of what can be repaired. Unfortunately, you're going to run into those that aren't repairable whatsoever. You can follow me on social media, on Facebook and Instagram, at Ultimate Dent, and on Twitter, at Ultimate_Dent. Thank you for watching.